Welcome to the dawn of a new era. 2025 is set to be the year when artificial intelligence truly transforms the way we work, create, and communicate. Millions of people worldwide are already leveraging powerful AI tools that are not only robust but also completely free to start. Imagine having access to platforms that help you brainstorm, automate tasks, and boost productivity without spending a dime. These tools are designed for everyone, from students and professionals to creators and entrepreneurs. With over 100 million global users, the AI revolution is no longer a distant dream, it's happening right now. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 5 free AI tools you must try in 2025, each offering unique features to help you stay ahead in a rapidly changing world. Let's dive into the 5 essential AI tools reshaping productivity in 2025. First, ChatGPT acts as your personal AI conversation partner, helping you write code, brainstorm, and solve problems with natural dialogue, available 24/7. Next, Perplexity reimagines search by delivering direct, cited answers, making research lightning fast and reliable. Emma takes the struggle out of presentations, turning your ideas into stunning decks, documents, or websites in minutes. No design skills needed. Level brings human-like voice AI to your fingertips, perfect for podcasts, audiobooks, and multilingual content creation. Finally, Midjourney empowers anyone to create breathtaking artwork in any style, from photorealistic to abstract, making it ideal for both personal and commercial projects. Each tool offers a generous free tier, so you can start exploring right away. So many options, how do you pick the right AI tool for your needs? If you're focused on writing, research, or answering complex questions, ChatGPT and Perplexity are your go-to platforms. For those who need to communicate visually, Gamma makes creating presentations and documents a breeze, even without design expertise. Audio content is your priority, and Level lets you generate lifelike voices for podcasts, audiobooks, or multilingual content. For creative professionals or anyone wanting to bring their ideas to life visually, Midjourney offers endless possibilities for artwork and design. The best part? You can combine these tools to build a seamless workflow, maximizing both productivity and creativity in your daily routine. Need to unlock the power of AI? Getting started is simple. Sign up for free accounts on all 5 platforms. Each offers a generous free tier so you can explore their capabilities without any upfront cost. Dedicate just 15 minutes a day to experimenting with different tools, and you'll quickly discover which ones fit best into your workflow. As you become more comfortable, start integrating these AI solutions into your daily routine, combining them for maximum productivity and creativity. Whether you're a student, professional, or creator, these tools are designed to be intuitive and easy to learn with no credit card required. The future is now. Embrace these innovations and see how they can transform the way you work, create, and communicate.